Hi everyone, in this quick video we are going to learn how to sign up to appyReward for Zoom. Of course, the first step is to head over the appyReward website, appyReward.com. What you are going to do now is to sign up for a free account. I'm going to click on Get Started on the top right hand corner. Then I just have to click on the Zoom logo and sign in with my Zoom account. And authorize appyReward to access my account information. This will create my appyReward account automatically without having to fill out a form. When you first log into your appyReward account, this is the page that you will land up. And this is where you can create campaigns to reward your meeting attendees by clicking just here. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.